And do you know what that is? When we're forgiven, really, we get to this point. Where we've forgot. What do I mean by that? What I mean is that emotionally, inside of you, you'll get to the place where you'll be able to remember every single thing you've done. Every single thing that was damaging that you've done. And you will get to the point where emotionally, it's like you've forgotten it. Because there will no longer be a single emotional signature attached to the remembering of the event. And at that point, you'll know that you have been forgiven.
Do you have to be on the divine path to get this mercy, or
you have to be? You can get to the point of forgetting, well, on the natural love path, but it takes many hundreds or thousands of years to get to that point. You can get to the point of forgetting in a very short period of time on the divine love path. Because remember what I said, the operation of God's love is that when the repentance draws God's heart to you, and the process is it removes the causal emotion within you, so you no longer have to pay the law of compensation effects, right? And you will have forgotten emotionally. Has anybody got stuff outside that they might want to get? It's starting to rain.
And that means that anybody who was a victim of that is also in that state for that thing.
And no, everyone who's a victim of that will not be in a state automatically where they've forgotten those things.
It can be cleared.
They can clear it a lot more easily, but like Cornelius, for example, many of the people that Cornelius harmed in the first century are still in the first sphere of the spirit world. He's told you that, remember? He said he actually talked to a few of the women that he raped. And they are actually still there. Why? Because they can't forgive him. Why? Because they can't allow themselves to feel the emotion inside of themselves. That's all. That's the only thing that's stopping them. And it's so sad because it's only that one thing of rejecting their own emotion that's preventing them from being in his state. That's all. That one thing.